Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can register your business with government firm and get verified. Just in case you are starting your business newly and you want to register with government, you don't need to pay any agency to get this done. And believe me, with this registration, you will be approved by the government actually, and you get verified support financially if ever you want to take loan from any financial institutes. This is 100% working, and I'll be taking you on a tutorial where I'll be registering my friend business with government, and you get to see the approval and you get your certificate delivered to you without any stress at all. So first of all, what we want to do now, we are going jumping straight to the tutorial because I'm not going to waste or take much of your time. So the name of this site, I'll be dropping it on the description of this video. So all you need to do, go to the description of this video to get the name of this site where you can actually register your business name for free and get verified, just in case you need any support from the government, and also to ensure your business is being registered under government actually. Welcome back to Prime Global. If this is the first time seeing my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Right on this channel, I only drop videos that are beneficiary to you. So right here, if you want to register your business, then once you log into this site, all you need to do is go to, we have the first one, which is cyber security SMM toolkit. We have SME Digital Academy. Then you go to MSME mass registration. Now we're gonna open it. So like I told you, I'll be registering my friend business name now, so you get to see, and the certificate, everything will be delivered to you right on your Gmail. Now before we get started, here are some benefits you get from registering your business name. First of all, you get financial services. It says get access to loan from multiple providers, grants from government and private organization, and insurance. I believe you all know what this simply means. And also we have the private sector benefit, we have the government benefit also. So let's get started without wasting much time. So the business name will be here. You put your business name, which is going to be Tori Music Studio. The guy is a producer, so what you register is studio. So we're gonna put the studio name, the production name, your business name, which I'll be using Tori Music Studio. I'll be using Tori Music Studio. Then you insert the phone number which we'll be needing, which is going to be 09. You put the phone number 090 3433 3433 619 619. And of course we have 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 349. We have 090 3433 36. Okay, 3619. So right here you input the Gmail of the person. Here you put the mail which is going to be ToriTune. It's going to be ToriTune. But one thing I came to realize, this his mail is not here, so definitely I will need to use a different mail because this mail is not here actually. So okay, let me just use the mail, but I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. But here you put your Gmail right here, which is going to be ToriTune. It's going to be ToriTune. Just follow me step by step so you don't miss out on the tutorial. and also you get everything we are doing. storybeats@gmail.com. So you choose a password you need for it. So I'm gonna be using, and you come down, you put the password again. So we are done with this setup. So the next thing you want to do here now, you go to get started. So it will ask if you want to save the password or you don't want to save it, but for now I'm not saving the password because it's not my business. Actually, I'm registering for someone. It's totally free of charge. So you go to the next step now, which is said, okay, business name is Story Studio, then phone number, then it says what kind of year of business commencement. On this section now, I would like you to choose the very date which you are registering this business. So you just put that same date, even though you've opened your business for long. I advise you put the same dates of that very day you want to do this registration to avoid confusion. So I'm registering this business name on the 19/11/2022, which is today, and that's why I'm putting the date there. Then you say the business address. Where is the address of your business? So right now I'm gonna put the address, which is number 4. I'm putting the location of the business now. Oluruto Street, Odo bus stop. Okay, so I just got the address. Then right here you choose the state. I'm in Lagos, so definitely I'm gonna choose Lagos State. I'm gonna choose Lagos, and the business located here in Lagos also. So here we are choosing Lagos, and you said the local government now. We're still gonna choose. We are taking Ikeja as local government. Then it says the business premises. Now, where do you operate from? Is that you operate your business from farm or from your home, from a mall, market? No fixed location. Online. If you do online business, actually you can either choose online. That's if you do your business on online or on WhatsApp, you choose it. If you own the business yourself, like a kind of you own the environment you are using, you choose owned. And if you are using a rented apartment, you choose rented, a stall, or a street kiosk or stall. Now the reason for this determines the amount you will be getting if eventually want to take loan from government. Now I want you to know that if you own your own place, definitely amount you to get that much trust, and also you can equally loan higher. So but for now, this is gonna be at home because it's a homemade studio actually. So I'm going to choose from home. Website is optional. If you don't have your own website, you can live here like that, but the business type applies. Now, is it a limited liability? Is it other? Is it partnership business? Is it sole proprietorship business? So for now, I'll just be choosing others, but you can as well choose what classification your business fall into. So right there, say what's the main product or services you offer. So right now I'm just gonna choose music production. Like I told you, it's a studio. So what we do is a music production So right here it says select business registration status. Now if you have already registered with CAC, like if you have registered with CAC, all you need to do here, you just need to click yes. But if you have not registered with CAC yet, you click no. You select the option of no, and the next thing you want to do now is to choose the category value of which your business fall into. Now this is how much do you make, what's the value of assets you make at least in a year, in less than 3 million, less than 25 less than 100M, less than 1 billion. So depends on the category your business fall into. But for now, I will be choosing less than 25M. Now it says employee category. How many staff do you have working under your firm? Like, how many staff do you have working under your firm? For now, I will just be choosing 3 to 9. Then you go next. On this next step now, we are getting closer to the final step. So it's a position at the company. Now you are the CEO, so definitely you're gonna just put in CEO. That's if you own the business, depending on what you represent on the business. So right here you choose the gender. My friend is a male, so definitely I will choose a male. If you're a female, you choose female. Now the age range is between the age of 26 29, so definitely I'm gonna make that. So now you choose home address. I'm gonna leave it the same as what I have there, the phone number the same, and the business email the same. Now you can either choose to put your BVN or not. It's an option. If you want to add a BVN number, you can add it. If you don't want to add it, you leave it and just let it be. Now you go to the next step. We are getting closer. Now this is the final step, which you get your certificate once you already start with them. Now what you want to do here, it says business industry. In this category, you choose what your business fall into. Is it a trading, manufacturing, general service, specialized service, or agriculture? Anyone your business fall into is what you select. You get ready start. Please, if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Right on Prime Global, we only drop videos which are benefit to you guys, and believe me, you won't ever regret subscribing to my YouTube channel. So right now, sorry about that. It's a business industry. So what I'll be choosing, I'll just be choosing specialized services. And also here you say that special services. Then the next step is specific business area. That's which area is your business located, a kind of specific business area. So what I'll be choosing here now, I'll be choosing I can say entertainment, something like that. Select specific business area. So right here I'm gonna be choosing media, medical services, media and others. Okay, I'll be choosing media and others. There's no entertainment, so I'll just choose media and others. Now it says give description, describe what exactly your business does. So I want you to be very careful here. Now what do you do as a business owner? What kind of business do you run? What is your business all about? So right here I'll just be choosing a music production, yeah, we produce songs. We produce songs. Okay, let me leave it that way. Then once you are done with this, guys, you are done. Now you click on submit and allow it to load up. You don't need to pay any agency to get registered. You don't need to go the long distance to register your business. You can do this online. If you like what you watch, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to like these videos so YouTube will recommend it to people, to others to watch also. So you click on OK. So right now our business is registered already, and it will be sent to the Gmail of Tori, and of course he's gonna get the certificate. But meanwhile, let me show you what it looks like from my own end when I did mine, because right now I don't have the login details to his Gmail, so I can't really access it now to show you guys the certificate from there. But when I already start Prime Global, I'll be showing you the certificate, my certificate, how it looks like, so you know it actually works 100%. Now this is my Gmail. This is when I register my business. Prime Global. This is the certificate I got. Okay, I'll be showing you the certificate I got. Okay, so let me open it so you guys see how it looks like. Now once you are done with this registration, this is what your certificate is going to look like. As you can see, this is when I registered my, you say certificate of registration. This is to satisfy that Prime Global has registered with Small and Medium Enterprise Development Agency of Nigeria, and this is my SMED EDAN number actually. So as you can see, it is signed by Mr. Olawale Fasanya, sorry about that, and he is the Director General. So guys, don't forget to like, and of course drop your comment in the comment section if you have any question pertaining to this, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I always drop video, lucrative ones like I told you. I love you all. See you on my next video.